Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween is approaching, so I couldn't help but make the iconic jack-o'-lantern makeup tutorial for you all. Let's get started. I start by covering my eyebrows lightly with some wax so I can paint on them. If you don't have wax, you can use a non-toxic stick-type glue and spread it with a spatula. In both cases, you have to clean your skin from any oily trace first, or the product won't attach well. When you're done, cover your eyebrows with a concealer and set them with powder. If you've got an oily T-zone like me, I suggest you to use a pore filler, put a bit of foundation and set it with powder, so the color won't drip down and it will last longer. I also prefer to conceal my dark circles to obtain a completely uniform base to start with. With an eye pencil, draw your pumpkin's face and its outline. I drew two asymmetrical eyes on purpose to make a more sinister expression, but you can choose to do otherwise. Draw a guideline that starts from the corner of your lips and ends near the eye to make Jack's mouth. Check the overall balance before moving to the next step, because it will be difficult to make changes after coloring your face. Fill the drawing with orange aquacolor, leaving the eyes, nose and mouth, and put a bit of yellow on the upper part to give three-dimensionality to the pumpkin. Fill with green the stem. Pick up a brown eyeliner and start drawing vertical lines, which are the pumpkin's wrinkles. The lines don't need to be perfectly straight, because wrinkles have an abnormal, wavy shape. If you want, with a brown eyeshadow, you can put the first layer of shadows as a guide for later. Fill with black eyeliner the eyes, nose and mouth. If your hand is not firm and you're afraid to overdo the outlines, start coloring from inside. Trace over the initial guidelines with eyeliner, and if you want, you can add some deeper wrinkles on your pumpkin. Use a black eyeshadow to put darker shadows near the main vertical lines. Remember to put the shadows on the outer part from the center of your face. I really suggest you to use a black lipstick in the inner part of your lips so they won't dry out completely. Fill the rest of your face with black aqua color and the look is complete. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.